Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do a simple task of putting a shortcut on your desktop. So first you want to go to your start button and click on it, and there you'll find all the apps that are on your computer. So I want to put my calendar on my desktop. I want a shortcut of my calendar on my desktop. So all I'm going to do is to hold down on the left mouse button and drag it onto the desktop. So there you have it. It might be a simple task, however, it's easily forgotten. So this is how you create a shortcut for your app or any app that you want to put on your desktop. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment.